Hi folks, Alex here. Have you ever heard that Bitcoin mining guzzles energy like a mid-sized country? 150 to 200 terawatt hours a year, rivaling Argentina or Norway? Sounds wasteful, right? But hold on, what if I told you it's actually saving our power grids, supercharging renewables, and slashing emissions? Yes, this might blow your mind, but stick around. By the end, you'll see Bitcoin as the unsung hero of green energy. Okay, let's get drawing. Quick Bitcoin primer. It's digital gold, a peer-to-peer payment network where miners use computers to solve puzzles, turning electricity into secure transactions and new Bitcoins. Capped at 21 million, it is deflationary and energy intensive by design, making it hard money, unlike fiat currencies that inflate away your savings. Bitcoin critics slams its mining as an eco-disaster. But here is the twist. Money is energy. Gold took massive effort to mine. Easy print money devalues everything. Bitcoin's energy use? It's a feature, not a bug, creating scarce, valuable digital assets that could fix our broken monetary system. Now, the real energy story. Electricity grids are finicky beasts. We can't store or transport power easily, so production must match demand exactly. Peaks hit mornings and evenings, lights, appliances, winter chills, but 70% of the time, infrastructure sits idle, overbuilt, and wasting potential. Did you hear that? That's wasted power until Bitcoin steps in. Stock energies, fossil fuels, uranium, can be throttled. Flow ones, solar, wind, cannot. You get what nature gives. Hydro is a hybrid, storable in dams until they're too full and energy spills unused. Why is this a big deal? Surplus risk grid surges. Boom, blackout. So what happens to extras? Some places light empty highways or leave office lights blazing. It's use it or lose it, not an eco-sin. During low demand hours, producers bleed money on fixed cost, jacking up prices for everyone. Enter Bitcoin miners, the ultimate energy sponges. They crave cheap surplus, flipping on instantly to soak up extras, stabilizing grids, preventing surges, and turning waste into revenue. This drops costs for producers and consumers. No waiting, the technology is here now. Imagine your electric bill dropping. Comment below if you would cheer for that. 90% of miners' costs are electricity post-setup, so they hunt bargains, rural deals, off-peak runs. Unlike YouTube servers or Amazon data centers, tied to cities, always on, miners pause during peaks, flexible heroes. Check out these real examples. After the 2021 winter storm failure, Texas has leveraged Bitcoin mining to enhance grid resilience. Utilizing about 3.5 gigawatt of capacity, miners act as flexible loads, shutting down during peak demand to reduce strain, absorbing excess power during low demand periods, and keeping prices low for Texans, as noted by Texas Grid's former CEO Brad Jones in 2022. Riot Blockchain actually earned $31.7 million in August 2023 just for pausing operations. Ethiopia recently built the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, located on the Blue Nile River. It is the largest hydroelectric dam in Africa and generates 6 gigawatt-hour of renewable electricity, enough to power around 5 million average American households. Most of this electricity is surplus since the Ethiopian's grid is not able to use it yet, but they sell the excess renewable hydropower, priced at 3 or 4 cents per kilowatt hour, to Bitcoin mining companies, turning surplus into a much-needed revenue estimated at $55 million in 2025. Are you worried about emissions? Miners cut them by capping flare gas. Oil rigs spit methane, 80 times worse than carbon dioxide. Burning it to carbon dioxide is better, but there is even better, generating power from it. Remote rigs cannot sell electricity, but portable miners can. This is a win-win, cleaner air, extra profit. Like Super Mario turning fire into gold coins.
Can't you do something else with all that wasted energy?
Maybe, but the real question is, can you do something else with that wasted energy that is profitable? And the answer is often no, so no one does it. Bitcoin mining excels at maximizing renewables like hydro and solar by operating flexibly during low demand hours. It absorbs excess power that would otherwise be curtailed, stabilizing grids, cutting fossil fuel reliance at peak times, and incentivizing faster renewable infrastructure expansion, proving we need more flexible energy use, not less energy on a principal basis. Bitcoin mining also helps finance renewable infrastructures. For instance, a 50 megawatt-hour solar plant has a return on investment of about 8.1 years. If you add Bitcoin mining to it, it goes down to 3.5 years. In a nutshell, Bitcoin doesn't steal your home power, it mops up cheap surplus. No new plants have been built just for it in 15 plus years. It is 53% emission-free, mostly hydro and nuclear, and Bitcoin's financial return of 1,000 to 1 in 2024, $2 trillion of value for $2 billion of energy cost, is impressive compared to most technologies available today.